Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. What a bright sunshine these 2 days, but it's gonna go away for a couple of days because of the raining and the forecast. So I think it's the best time I let this Emax Hawk 5 see some air and see what this baby can do, because Emax claims this is one of their best. So let's put it to test and find out if this is really Emax's best, because I have seen their best, the Emax Baby Hawk R, the racing edition. Now this is a 210mm, so we cannot compare it with the tiny one, but again, we'll compare it with some other 210 ones and see how it performs and how it rips. So before I actually put my HD camera on board, I would like to first test it line of sight without any camera on board and see how it goes. And after that, goggles are here, Sky RC HD FPV goggles, baby, and then one more battery fully charged for me to enjoy the FPV flight. Let's do it. My little C5 is filling up. I also brought 2 of the airplanes to enjoy some flights. Let's see how it goes. First, I can't wait to play with this baby. So here is my Taranis, and my switches are all set. My OSD is all set. Let's strap a 1500 milliamp 4S battery. Alright, so let's turn the radio on. Switch warning. I know that's the switch for my arm and disarm. So here goes nothing. Let's put it down here. Okay, all ready to go. And well, this is in stabilize mode, horizon mode, and then crazy mode. There we go. It's always in air mode, so propellers will spin as soon as you arm the motors. All right. Yo, I could hear that this is a feisty one. It's begging me to let it loose. Ooh, man, I gotta be careful with the throttle on this one. I gotta pull more angle, man. Woo! I'm not even doing full throttle here. Whoa! Don't want it to end up a face-off thingy. Ooh, man! My jaws are dropping now. Yeah, baby, it's jaw dropping. Gotta control the throttle. And one moment. Anyway, here we go. Ready? That was like a fraction of a second. It was gone somewhere. Awesome, man. Alright, here comes another punch. Yo, I can see my home in Pakistan from there. Man, that is some crazy punch right here. The throttle response is like, you know, you're probably on board a really expensive Kawasaki H2R turbo boosted motorbike. Sweet. I would love to do that again. Yo, man, what was that? All right, man, what a superb machine. The propulsion system on this one is really awesome and jaw-dropping, man. The speeds, the performance, the response is really jaw-dropping, really jaw-dropping. Alright, I'm gonna just test a little bit of the rate mode. Yeah, I'm flipping so slow because I have set the flips so high that I can actually lose orientation and crash it, and that's what I don't want to happen because I want to enjoy FPV on this baby for sure. Yo, man, I gotta be careful with this throttle. I mean, I can imagine the amazing hang time on this baby. Let me land and check what is going on with my poor 65C battery. Alright, let me just show you before I test the battery how to set the video transmitter to 25 milliwatt or 200 milliwatts. You will have better luck with 200 milliwatt anyways. So here's a little tiny button at the left side. That is the setup button for your frequency band and power. Just press and hold it for 5 seconds and there will be a red LED dot right there which will turn on. There you go, it turned on. This means now your video transmitter is in high power mode, that is 200 milliwatts. Okay, that's what I wanted. Now let's check the battery, shall we? So here we go. 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8. This is really efficient on my battery, man. I was punching those throttles. If it was like something like Fury B or stuff like that, my battery must be already crying. But here we have 3.8 on each cell. That means I can still fly some more with this one. But hey, let me just go ahead and enjoy some FPV flight on this. Let me install my camera.